not riding in the snow. It's cold, it's freezing. Don't do it unless. It is cold out here. Oh my goodness. Look at all this snow, ice, whatever. But look, remember, we still gotta go check the animal and I got to go ride. So let's do both at the same time. Let's go. All right, so we just let the truck warm up. But I think let's take the bike. What y'all think about that? All right, y'all, let's take the bike down here, see what we can get into. Let me turn this old Cummins off. Yes, sir. Come on with it. That's off. Ooh, watch me. Was she cranking? Y'all think she'll crank in this cold weather? I don't know. She ain't been crunked since the race. She's still dirty. Let's see. Ooh, why me? Oh, she low on fuel, fellas. She low on fuel, fellas. Ooh, why me? Y'all think it's still some good? Oh, no. Oh, I better not use that. Low fuel, boys. Forget it. Let's do it. Oh well. YOLO. She'll be alright. She'll can now. It won't hurt nothing. I don't think so. Put a little fuel in there. Put a little ice in there. Come on. It's cold. Let's check on the sheep. Let's check on these babies. How y'all doing today? We are good. It's cold, but we're good, right? We got feed. Still got some good feed. Got some water. Feed and water. I think we're good. We are. Let's go check on the mamas. I rode all the way down here and I forgot I had my gloves in my pocket. So look, we got these gloves right here. And I never worn them before. Cause they winter gloves and we don't get no really ski gloves. Like not damn jet ski. Snowboarding gloves. And I don't get any snowboarding, so why not wear it today? Hey. Boy, it's basically ice and water. So let's see if we can make a mess. in the snow. Look at me right here, y'all. Right here. Do not ride in the snow. It's cold, it's freezing. Don't do it. Unless you're a little loony. And then do it.